Have you ever wondered why some women seem to eat full plates of food but stay slim and energetic, while others eat less but still struggle with stubborn fat? The truth is, it's not just about calories, it's about chemistry. Some foods ignite your metabolism, balance your hormones, and literally turn your body into a fat-burning furnace. Others, they slow you down, make you crave junk, and push your body to store fat. Today, I'm going to reveal the 11 fat-burning foods women should eat every single day to unlock your body's natural ability to shed fat and keep it off. But here's the challenge. I don't want you to just watch this video. I want you to commit to trying at least 3 of these foods daily for the next 21 days. Because when you do, your body, your energy, and even your confidence will begin to change in ways you can see and feel. And stay tuned till the very end, because food number 11 is the most overlooked fat-burning weapon in the kitchen. But when you add it to your daily routine, it can multiply your results. Food number 1, salmon, the fat-melting protein. Salmon isn't just a source of protein, it's a metabolic powerhouse. Every time you eat salmon, your body works harder to break down its high-quality protein, which means you burn more calories just through digestion. But the real star here is omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats reduce inflammation in the body, which is often the hidden reason women struggle with weight loss. Inflammation makes your body cling to fat. By lowering it, salmon tells your body it's safe to let go. Even more fascinating, omega-3s regulate hormones like leptin, which control appetite. That means fewer uncontrollable cravings and more natural portion control. Women who eat salmon at least twice a week often notice smoother skin, stronger hair, and better energy. But inside, their bodies are working overtime to burn fat more efficiently. Wild-caught salmon is best, but even high-quality farmed salmon can help transform your metabolism. Food number 2, avocados, the flat-belly fruit. Avocados may be creamy and rich, but their fats are the good kind, monounsaturated fats that actively fight belly fat. These fats improve insulin sensitivity, which is crucial for women. Why? Because poor insulin control is what leads to stubborn fat around the hips, thighs, and waist. Eating half an avocado a day has been shown to reduce cravings by up to 40%. That's huge if you're someone who finds herself snacking late at night. Avocados are also rich in potassium, even more than bananas, which helps reduce bloating and balance sodium levels in your body. Here's a trick. Mash avocado on whole grain toast with a squeeze of lemon. It feels indulgent, but what you're really doing is fueling your body with nutrients that switch on your fat-burning engine. Food number 3, green tea, nature's fat burner. If there was ever a drink designed to help women burn fat, it's green tea. Inside every cup are powerful antioxidants called catechins, and the most famous one, EGCG, literally tells your cells to burn fat for energy. Drinking 2 to 3 cups of green tea daily can raise your metabolism enough to burn an extra 70 to 100 calories per day. Over the course of a month, that's nearly 3,000 calories, the equivalent of running a marathon without leaving your house. Green tea also helps regulate blood sugar, meaning fewer energy crashes and fewer cravings for sweets. If you're someone who struggles with afternoon fatigue, swap your coffee for green tea. It gives you focus and calm energy without the jitters. Food number 4, eggs. Eggs are one of the most perfect fat-burning foods nature ever created. High in protein, packed with essential amino acids, and loaded with choline, eggs help your body break down fat more effectively. Starting your day with eggs instead of carbs is like flipping a switch in your metabolism. Instead of spiking your blood sugar, eggs keep it stable, which means fewer crashes, fewer cravings, and steady energy. Women who eat eggs for breakfast are proven to consume fewer calories throughout the day. And don't fear the yolk. It's where most of the nutrients are. Think of eggs as tiny nutrient bombs that power your body and keep your metabolism running high all day. Food number 5, berries. When sugar cravings hit, berries are your best friend. Blueberries, raspberries, strawberries, they taste sweet, but are surprisingly low in sugar and high in fiber. That means they fill you up without spiking your blood sugar. The antioxidants in berries also reduce inflammation and improve insulin sensitivity. This is key for fat loss because the more sensitive your body is to insulin, the less likely it is to store fat. Here's a tip. Eat a bowl of mixed berries after dinner instead of dessert. You'll feel satisfied, you'll crush cravings, and you'll still wake up lighter and leaner. Food number 6. Leafy greens, the metabolism maximizers. Spinach, kale, arugula. These leafy greens are your body's natural fat fighters. They're low in calories but high in fiber, meaning you can eat huge portions without overeating. They also contain iron, calcium, and magnesium, all of which help your body function at peak efficiency. For women, iron is especially important. Low iron can cause fatigue, and when you're tired, you're less active, which means you burn fewer calories. Leafy greens restore your energy levels, making it easier to stay active and burn more fat naturally. Try blending spinach into smoothies, adding kale to salads, or steaming broccoli as a side dish. The more greens you eat, the more your metabolism stays revved up. Food number 7. Nuts, the fat-fighting snack. Nuts like almonds, walnuts, and cashews are tiny but mighty. They're rich in protein and healthy fats that keep you satisfied for hours. They also lower cortisol, the stress hormone linked to belly fat. The key here is portion control. A small handful of nuts per day is all you need. Keep them in your bag or at your desk to stop hunger before it turns into a craving for chips or cookies. And here's something interesting. Studies show women who eat nuts regularly tend to weigh less than those who avoid them, despite the calories. That's because nuts help you eat less overall by controlling hunger hormones. Food number 8. Chili peppers, the thermogenic spice. Want to burn more calories without moving a muscle? Add spice to your meals. Chili peppers contain capsaicin, a compound that increases thermogenesis, the process of your body burning calories to produce heat. Even a small amount of chili can raise your metabolism for hours after eating. It also helps suppress appetite, making it easier to stick to smaller portions. If you're not used to spice, start with chili flakes or mild hot sauce. Over time, your tolerance builds, and you get more of that fat-burning boost without overwhelming heat. Food number 9. Greek yogurt, the probiotic fat cutter. Greek yogurt is creamy, filling, and a fat-burning ally. It's high in protein to keep you full, but its real secret weapon is probiotics. These good bacteria balance your gut, and a healthy gut is directly tied to easier weight loss. Women who eat probiotic-rich foods often notice less bloating, better digestion, and even fewer cravings. But you have to choose wisely. Go for unsweetened Greek yogurt to avoid hidden sugars. For a fat-burning snack, mix Greek yogurt with berries and a sprinkle of chia seeds. It feels like dessert, but works like a metabolism booster. Food number 10. Oats. Carbs often get a bad reputation, but oats are the exception. They're slow digesting, which means they give you long-lasting energy while keeping blood sugar stable. Stable blood sugar equals fewer cravings. For women who struggle with mid-morning hunger or afternoon crashes, oats are a lifesaver. They also contain beta-glucan, a type of fiber that lowers cholesterol and improves gut health. Try overnight oats with almond milk, chia seeds, and berries. It's simple, delicious, and keeps your metabolism humming all day. Food number 11. Apple cider vinegar, the hidden fat-burning tonic. Apple cider vinegar is one of the most underrated fat-burning tools out there. It helps regulate blood sugar, reduces appetite, and even supports digestion. Drinking a tablespoon diluted in water before meals can make you feel full faster and prevent overeating. It's not a miracle cure, but when combined with the other 10 foods on this list, it supercharges your fat loss. Just remember to rinse your mouth after drinking it because the acidity can affect your teeth. Add it to salad dressings or sip it before meals. Over time, you'll notice smoother digestion, fewer cravings, and more fat-burning support. So there you have it, the 11 fat-burning foods women should eat every single day. Remember, the goal isn't to diet forever. It's to make smarter daily choices that naturally burn fat without leaving you hungry or drained. Here's my challenge. Pick at least 3 of these foods and add them to your daily routine starting today. Do it for 21 days and watch how your body begins to change, not just on the outside, but how you feel on the inside. If this video inspired you, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss more science-backed fat loss tips. And let me know in the comments, which of these foods are already part of your daily diet, and which one are you most excited to try first?